Heart-healthy food: how to unclog your arteries. The arteries are part of the body's circulatory system and play a large role in one's health. They are responsible for the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to all cells, the removal of carbon dioxide and waste products, the maintenance of optimum blood pH, and responsible for the circulation of proteins and cells of the immune system. It's very important to keep the arteries clean and unclogged to prevent any possible cardiovascular diseases, and thankfully there are healthy, natural foods that can help us. Here are 10 foods that unclog arteries naturally. 1. Fatty fish. We know it sounds counterintuitive, but fat isn't the enemy, it's the kind of fat that you should be paying attention to. Fish contains omega-3 fatty acids that help in reducing the levels of triglycerides in the body. If you find it difficult to include fish naturally, then you can incorporate fish oil supplements into your diet. However, the best source of healthy fats is natural fish such as mackerel or tuna. 2. Olive oil. Not all oils are created equal. Olive oil is your best bet. You can add a dash of it on your salads or use it in cooking. The monounsaturated oleic acid in it is a kind of healthy fat that slashes your risk of heart disease. 3. Nuts. Next time you get a craving for some midday snacks, reach for a pack of nuts over that pack of fries. From almonds, cashews, macadamia nuts to the humble peanut, all sorts of nuts are a great choice as they are rich in vitamins, fiber, and magnesium and keeps your heart healthy. 4. Green leafy vegetables. Vegetables like spinach, kale are a great source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are also a great source of vitamin K and high in nitrates that help reduce blood pressure and improve the health of cell linings in the arterial walls. They are also low in fat and carbohydrates and a way to fill up your stomach without consuming an excessive amount of calories. Have them as salads or make them a part of your daily diet. 5. Berries. They are a great source of antioxidants and anthocyanins which help reduce the inflammation in the body. They are the perfect low-calorie dessert and help satiate your sweet tooth without the harm that comes with consuming processed and refined sugars. Add blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries to your diet to add color and sweetness and kill blandness. 6. Avocados. This superfood helps in reducing the levels of bad LDL cholesterol in your body and is an excellent source of healthy fats. The best part is that healthy fats help keep you satiated for longer and are excellent if you want a creamy rich texture and taste in your diet. Added benefits include that they are rich in potassium as well. 7. Beans. Resistant starch that has been found in beans has been linked to better heart health. They are one of the ways to unclog your arteries naturally by reducing the level of blood triglycerides and LDL cholesterol. Eating a diet heavy in beans has also been found to reduce inflammation and high blood pressure, which are risk factors for CAD. 8. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of nature's best sources of lycopene, a plant pigment with natural antioxidant properties. If you are looking for a natural way to clear arteries, then adding tomatoes in your diet may help. Antioxidants in tomatoes can help neutralize the harmful free radicals in the body which have been linked to high risk of heart disease. 9. Seeds. Flaxseed, pumpkin seeds, sunflower, chia, and others are all great sources of heart-healthy fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. There have been studies that showed evidence that eating seeds in your diet may slash your risk factors such as inflammation, cholesterol, and blood pressure. 10. Garlic. If you are looking for foods that help clear arteries, garlic may not feature high on your list, but it is one of the best sources of the therapeutically beneficial medical compound lysine. Studies suggest that high doses of garlic extract over a prolonged time is effective in reducing blood pressure and bad LDL cholesterol.